Hello everyone and welcome to yet another episode on Jelly Jabbing. My name is Derek and I'm here with the lovely Siew Heng from Sydney, Australia. Hello Siew Heng.
Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another episode from Jelly Alchemy's YouTube channel.
Okay, and Siew Heng, tell our audience what you are going to be doing today.
Well, today I'm going to be teaching you something very simple, but it is also very helpful to bring your jelly art piece to another level. I'll be showing you how I make fern leaves using a simple needle, just a needle. Okay, but before I do that, obviously I'm going to just make a flower to create a canvas for everyone to see, and then I'll show you how to make a fern leaf.
Okay folks, so it looks like our camera angle has changed, so now we have the canvas and I'm going to hand it over to Siew Heng.
So here I have a small round canvas, and to start off with, I'm going to do a dianthus flower.
Dianthus, okay, interesting.
Yes, that's correct.
Do show our audience.
Using
yes, the tool.
this one, yes, this one here is for the center. Okay, so go in. Okay, so that will do. Okay, so now I'm done with flower. I'm going to put on some leaves.
Okay.
So using just a needle, okay. So what I need you to do is to go in, make a straight line, and then as you're moving in and out, to actually move it to look like it's opening up. So start with the left side or right side, whichever. Going this way and then back inside, going this way. So let's go in like that. Yeah, then go back in without pressing, and then.
Very nice. So it's sort of like in one motion, simultaneous motion.
That's right. So I'll show you again.
Center one. Yep, the center one.
I'll show it to you again this way.
Center rib. And she's done the left, and now she's bringing it out, and she back in. Continue with the right side.
It takes some practice, but once you get a hang of the motion, how you're supposed to move your hands, you'll be fine. So that's done. I suppose we can add some baby breath.
Okay.
Just to finish it up. Yeah, these feelers are so important to. It seriously brings it to another level, like just by adding these little bits and pieces.
So anyway, the piece is done, and now we are all excited to see how these ferns have taken this one single small little canvas to another level.
Sure thing. So, ta-da!
Oh God, bring it closer, closer to the camera.
Well, I want everyone to at least give it a go. Try it.
Yeah.
If it works, excellent. If it doesn't work, try again, because I know how it can change the whole piece. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode of my fern leaf.
Thank you for watching once again, supporting our Jelly Alchemy channel. And until the next round, okay, happy jellying. Remember to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.